So the Maverick takes a trip down memory lane this evening in order to educate, elevate, and demonstrate that the players in Lionel Messi's Argentina World Cup team of 2014 were far superior in terms of individual quality to the players in Diego Maradona's World Cup winning team of 1986. The struggling argument now is that Maradona's 86 team was just as good or even better than Messi's team. But it's a simple demonstration. Let us not compare the players' money value because of regular inflation, and especially today's inflated football market, and agree in principle that the best players in the world are generally bought by the top clubs in Europe. So just running through the Argentina 1986 squad, I see only 7 of the entire 22-man squad played their football outside of Argentina. And of that 7, only 4 in Maradona, Passarella, Valdano, and Burruchaga played in big European clubs. All the other 15 were based in Argentina. Let us look now at Messi's 2014 squad, where only 3 of the 23 were based in Argentina. So all of 20 elite players, including Messi, played in top clubs across Europe: Barcelona, Real Madrid, PSG, Inter Milan, Napoli, Lazio, Man City, and more. All massive teams in big European leagues. Now, members of the public jury, just looking at all the evidence provided, who had the better supporting cast in the World Cup finals? The winner, Diego Maradona, in 1986, or the loser, Lionel Messi, in 2014? The prosecution rests the case.